How to create table in MS Office. Click on Insert. There is a table icon. Click on it. There are many options to create table. First is graphical type tables. This is first column is 1 by 1, 1 into 1, 1 row 1 column. This is very handy to draw this table. We can just move the mouse and the table is created. Suppose we want 3 rows and this much of columns, then we move the mouse in this direction, and if we want more columns, then we go downwards. Horizontal is rows and vertical is columns. Okay, this is the one way. Another way is go to tables, insert table. There one dialog box comes, table size. It asks number of columns and rows. Suppose you want 10 number of columns and 5 rows. Okay, then click OK. Then another table is formed within a table. Suppose we want another table in after this table, then we press tab key to escape out, and just go to the insert key, and through table icon we insert the table, and likewise we created another table. After that, if we want to draw a table through mouse, then we choose draw table. By this we can create a row, a long row, and divides according to our use. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. We can rechange the sizes also by dragging the vertical row according to the use. Likewise, another, we have the option of Excel spreadsheet. We can also create an Excel in MS Office like this. We can also add the sheets, extra sheet if we need. Then by clicking just on this tab, we get another sheet. And as we do work in Excel, we can also work in MS Word. Like total, percentage, this is 100. Okay, so another, we have the last option is quick tables. MS Word gives lots of samples. You can directly use it. Suppose we take this, it gives sample data. You can just select all the data and press delete key. All the data will be deleted and you can enter your data. If you want to see whole table, then go to this icon. You can see easily the table. Also, you can give your table some different view, then click on it and you will have the different look. Okay, so these are the different ways of creating table in MS Word.